Welcome to my Sri Lanka.
My country is beautiful. My country. We welcome you, and I hope you will watch this video of mine until the end. Between the soothing views of the river, we get a soothing sound. The water lapping by the small shores, the cool breeze of the river calms our hearts. We are going to experience today how peaceful it is to be by the river. Choosing a beautiful place by the river, we started to prepare the food. The flowers hanging from the trees set a very calm mood. It's nice to have a quiet time enjoying the food with the mood of the river, with the earth-baked sweets and order. Before we bathe, we prepare a simple, nourishing meal. The act of cooking outdoors feels different closer to the heart. Fresh ingredients, carefully packed, are now spread before us. The sound of chopping vegetables and the aroma of spices blend harmoniously with the symphony of the river. Ultimately, by connecting with nature, we go on a relaxing journey, enjoying the essence of life, the calm mood, the food, and the nature.